Ladies and gentlemen, today, I am delighted to introduce you to one of the most charming and beloved pet birds in the world, the elegant cockatiel, scientifically known as Nymphicus hollandicus. With its distinctive crest, expressive face, and playful personality, the cockatiel has captured the hearts of bird enthusiasts and pet owners around the globe. Please hit the like button and subscribe before we begin. Let's start. The elegant cockatiel, native to the Australian outback, is a member of the cockatoo family and is prized for its beauty, intelligence, and sociable nature. With its soft, muted colors and graceful movements, the cockatiel exudes an understated elegance that sets it apart from other parrot species.